What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to adjust your track volume in Premiere Pro. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. The first and easiest way to adjust your volume is to right-click a track in your timeline and select Audio Gain. On this window, make sure to change the Set Gain to option to, let's say, -3 dB to reduce the audio, and increase it to make your track louder. The Adjust Gain By option will add any number you input here in your existing audio. This means that setting this to 3 dB will increase your audio track by 3 dB. These two first settings will in turn add both numbers you input here together. Another way to change your volume is to select your track, and in your Effect Controls window on the left hand side, you can expand your volume effects to edit your level in decibels. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.